Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to edit Instagram story, and now let's dive right in. Now to edit Instagram story, first open up the Instagram app, and before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support. And with that being said, let's open up the Instagram app. Now in order to proceed from over here to edit Instagram story, let's make Instagram stories guys. So to do that, you can see the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the plus icon, and over here let's go to the story section of our Instagram, and let's create a story, just a picture. And after taking the story of your Instagram guys, on this interface you can see all of your effects at the top of the screen. Let's tap on the done. At the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see the three dotted icon where you can draw something with your lines. Let's tap on done. You can add, you can save it, you can see the music over here. You can add your music guys, and let's pause this, and you can add your music from over here. Let's tap on the done, and you can add some filters. You can see guys, there are a lot of filters available over here, and you can add some stickers. You can see you can put a lot of stickers whichever you like, and after that you can add some text over here. Edit the music section. You can see you can edit your music section over here, and this way guys you'll be able to edit your Instagram story over here. And there guys, this is how to edit Instagram story. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.